this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we got something that came from Golden Bay Supply down in San Francisco. Go Giants. We've got this, Jub Jub. What's Jub Jub, you ask? I don't know. It's a Thai rice noodle soup, and it is in the original flavor. I don't know exactly what that means, but it's the flavor that they've always done in this thing I've never had before. So, first off, we got a pot of 400 mils of water that's boiling. What I had to do, I figured I'd save you the time. You have to soak these rice noodles for 10 minutes first and drain them. So, they've been drained. Here they are. They're going in the pot. And then you add in all the sachets, and you're gonna cook it for like 5 minutes, it said, which I will do with happiness. So here is the powder sachet. What a week it's been. It's only Tuesday. It was a weekend. I have injured myself. I am sad. Yeah. I don't know what I did, but you guys, I'm just waiting. Here, just say it already. I know you're dying to say, oh, you should go to the doctor. Yeah, you should go to the doctor immediately. Go to the doctor. I'm probably going to. Wow, a lot of spicy stuff going in. Holy cow. Oh, is that shallot? That might be just a shallot. I got one more sachet. It's a really dark day outside, so the lighting for stuff is going to be substandard. God, that guy just keeps tweeting. He won't knock it off. Do I really want to just dump this in? I don't know, that's what it says to do, but it's fried shallot. It seems like it would go better as a garnish. Okay. I'm going to take our fork of magic, stir it all up, drop it on a heat for 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've got like, it's already almost 12:30. There's no way I'm going to do 3 reviews today. Because the next one shouldn't take too long, but the one after that, that'd take a while. But really quick, let's do our quote of the day from the absolute beautiful tome that we know as Momofuku Randu Quote Book. They're all quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Let's see what we got here. Number 101. Cut rate competition is no good for anyone. Only innovative products can bring benefits to everybody. Okay. So what happened? Right there. I think I know what happened. I'm like walking, and it was kind of, there was frost on the ground on the trail last week, and it was like one day that it was like, I'm guessing I was like tensing up when I was walking, because, I don't know, part of me that's going like, that sounds like everything, the way it feels and how it hurts is like a shin split, which is where your muscle is actually tearing away from the bone. But God, I would have thought I would have gotten that when I did the 1,000,000 step month in June. I mean, I didn't get anything like that, so. The other thing was thinking, well, yeah, I've gained a little weight, but it's like I haven't gained that much, and I was doing way more walking than this when I weighed even more. So I just don't know, but I did something. I made it angry. So I'm like, not going out on the trail. I'm keeping it down to only 10,000 steps a day. Thank you, sir. Very good, very good. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Miles. Say hello to everybody, Miles.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, how you doing? Are you done with school for today? All right. Have your enjoyable twisty snack. Yay! And yeah, so it's been since Sunday I didn't go and do anything. I just sat all day. Monday I did 10,000 steps, and I'm going to do 10,000 steps today too. I figure that's enough. But since I'm doing less, I'm trying to eat less too. And I've got a plan. I've got something I'm doing. What am I doing? I'll tell you if you're going to stop interrupting me. So what I'm doing is I'm eating a lot of pickles and these little cherry tomatoes. Grape tomatoes. Yes. I like it. And a salad for dinner. 1, maybe 2 protein drinks. And that's literally all I'm eating. Yes, I know. Pickles have a lot of sodium. Thank you. But I mean, that's really like all I'm having right now. I'm keeping it close to around 1,200 calories. And I have a feeling I'm just going to keep doing this for a little while. Then I can get back down. And I want to get under 200 pounds. That's what I really want to do. Kind of like, it's the holidays now. Look, we got a tree on Saturday. And, yeah, so. It's been great, though. I've had all this extra time. And this morning and the morning of yesterday, I went and I edited episodes that we did in July of the chocolate break. So they're up by now, and you're enjoying them. I'd like to say we're going to do more. I really would, but I don't know. It's a time thing. It's really hard to find the time, and we don't get to go to Canada anymore, and that was a great place to find chocolate. Everything here is just kind of... Everything's ridiculous. I mean... Wow, and you know what? I think where you're at in space and time... No, not yet. But close. It's close to having Biden in. Because freaking... I'm sorry. If you're a Trump supporter, that's cool. That's your choice. But God, that guy is such a whiny. You will have a drink after Mimi is done. Tell Mimi, it's your dinner, Mimi. God, but he just won't shut up. I mean, how can you be like, yeah, America, yeah, awesome, running. And this guy's like, I don't know what to do. All these people, they're coming in to get me. But I'm the greatest. I'm so great. I'm wonderful. I'm like Homelander. Look at me. Wow. But I'm just a victim. We're all victims. It's like, come on. He's such a pussy, I swear. Karen in chief. And I know some of you is just going to be like, but. That's fine. We disagree. Is that okay? Are you going to be able to handle that? If you can't handle disagreeing, go somewhere else. I wanted to watch something about Noodles, then he started speaking his mind. Come on, Bullwinkle, we're out of here. Well, I don't know. He sounds like he's making a little bit of sense. You know, here's some broth. Yeah, it's just like you lost. I know. Your mantra says you never lose. You always win. It's always somebody else's fault. Ooh. It's thick. I did not expect a thickness. It's like a mystic thickness. But and it's got some mean old heat on it. That's for sure. Let's check out this rice noodle. It was a trippy rice noodle. When the post comes out, you'll be able to see. But yeah, look at that gauge on it. That's unique. Very soft. That 10-minute soak, I think if you don't do that, then you're not gonna have very soft. You're gonna have like super chewy rice noodle. Yeah, I like that. Man, that's got a mean burn. Look at that. That's heady. Is that right? Is that a word? It's heady. It's not like a beer, but it's strong. I mean business. Business is a word. So I'm gonna add in, I think I'm just gonna do some vegetables. There's some mung bean sprouts. Some basil. Almost Christmassy. Look at that. It looks like holly. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? And some spring onion. Don't need any of that. Some seeds. And that is that for now. I don't know what else to do. The biggest problem is the lighting out there. It's garbage. The ambient lighting in here is just super crap. That bums me out too, because it's like, it's kind of nice, but no cigar. Anyways. Come on, Rotato. Let's make it real. Swerve. Glide and swerve, Rotato. Let's see if we can crack a couple more in this review schedule. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacía contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro que les pidan a Cupido y te traigan pica pica pa' tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras, y si quieres lo hacemos a tu manera. Y solitico nos dañamos el corazón. Duele bien cabrón, pero no importa, ya no vale la